Compare arrays JavaScript series. In the markup output to show result. In app.js, create a 2 array 1, 1, 2, 3 and array 2, 2, 3, 2, 1 and write a function compare A1 and A2 parameters to compare two arrays, then return JSON stringify, then A sort is already sort 1 to 3, then equal to JSON stringify A2 sort. In this case A2 created this way, number 1, 2 and 3 order in this way. Why I am using here JSON stringify? Objects are reference types, so we cannot use normal equality operators. That's why we are using stringify here. JSON object convert into a string, then after that we can compare. Let's see. Inner HTML equal to JSON stringify compare A1 and A2 means array 1 and array 2. Let's see. Expected true. In case we do not use here sort options, we can see false. If I change same thing here, we can see result is true. I hope you like this video. Until the video, goodbye.